Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a folder in Confluence. First, go ahead and log in to your Confluence account. Once inside the dashboard, on the left panel, select on the space where you want to create a folder. Now, beside the content section, click on the plus sign button. From the options, go and select on folder. After that, just type in a name for that one. And there you have it. You now have a folder that you can use to organize your content. You can now move your space contents under it. To do that, just go ahead and hold on one, then drag it in the folder that you just made. And there you have it. Your contents can now be organized under that folder. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.